Alma of the Airwaves, lucky of the orange couch, behind the birthday balloon and 2 cards. Okay. It's my birthday. It's May 15th. It's a Saturday. And I have said this before, and I'll repeat it. Days like that could last and may last 100 hours, not 24. I had the most beautiful day starting, of course, very early, because everybody in Bulgaria is 7 hours ahead. Okay. I had the most amazing day. Okay. My alarm. You'll see the cake that I produced. Actually, I bought the creme brulee cake and then decided to put some more Nutella on top of it. Here is my project of the day. Remember this was a print. What you see here is, okay, stay wild, sun and moon child. But this is a planet. Do you see this planet? This is a planet in orbit. This planet is AA. So I landed on this planet. I'm staying on this planet as long as I can. I'm going nowhere. I landed on this planet and I'm staying. I was never happier in my entire life as far as my recovery is concerned. Then the day continued. Then I got, first of all, this is my dress. It's Marks and Spencer from my girlfriend, Marta. Then I got more gifts. Chrissy delivered this beautiful, you're gonna see it, a lamb. I don't know. Then we had a little bit, we have a very short video of the park, but the most important thing is for you to see Ellie, Chrissy's dog, in the video. And I'm so happy. Thank you for everything. I think the next decade, okay, I'm 61, for the next decade, decada, the motto is we have to make our kids and grandkids laugh, their bellies. I mean, I will dedicate these next 10 years to making people laugh. That's the motto. Sounds like a plan. And like he says, hi, I'm hyper, but there's nothing new. And we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, Lucky, are you ready? The time is right. Look at this 6. It's not even a 9. Happy birthday to me. It's Saturday, May 15th. There you go. Ready to eat? Here's Lucky. Project of the day. She's my... Ellie! Тя това е суперстар. Много е хубава сърцето. Виж каква красавица.
Нали е сладичка? Аз искам Лъки да го видя, да се запознаваме с Лъки скоро.
Here is my beautiful new lamp. Oh, the candle holders. Beautiful. Here's this beautiful light. Here's the light. Here is my beautiful new lamp. Oh, the candle holders. Beautiful.